Man, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. So today, I'm gonna be showing you how to download the sound pack that I just posted today. So first, you're gonna press on the link. When you press on the link, you're gonna press continue to download. Since I already downloaded it, it's in my files right here. So then you're gonna open it. You're gonna see Resident Weapons Player of PF. Then you're gonna search a file, and then it should bring you to this. After that, you're gonna put this PC, and then press local, and then press wherever your GTA 5 is located. Mine's located in my local disk C. So I'm gonna press that. I'm gonna press program files. I'm gonna press, since I downloaded it on Epic Games, my GTA is in my Epic Games. So then I'm gonna press Epic Games, and then I'm gonna press GTA. When you get to your GTA 5 location, you're gonna press X64, and then audio, then sound effects. Once you do that, you will bring these two sound packs, and then drop them in here. After you do that, your sound pack should be ready. And this is a preview of the sound pack right here. This what it will sound like. Alright, that's it. That's it for the video. And yeah, that's it for the video. See y'all later. And wait, I'm gonna post the video. I'm gonna post my Discord. And y'all already know my Discord is in the comments or in my discussion. See y'all later.